In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the TikTok Business Suite and make the most of their available support features. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out with advertising on TikTok, understanding how to efficiently use the platform's tools can really optimize your campaigns and alleviate any potential issues. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to log into your TikTok Ads Manager or TikTok Business Center account. This is the cornerstone of managing your ad campaigns on TikTok. Ensure that you have your login details ready. Once logged in, you'll be in the primary workspace where you'll be executing and managing your advertising tasks. Now that you're logged in, you might notice a blue circular icon on your screen. This is the Ad Assistant chat icon, a very handy tool that TikTok provides for immediate help and troubleshooting. Clicking on this icon will open a chat window with the Ad Assistant, TikTok's automated support service designed to answer common queries and guide you through basic troubleshooting. Once the Ad Assistant window is open, you can type your question right into the text box provided. This is how you initiate a chat with the assistant. Be clear and concise with your questions to get the most effective results. The assistant is equipped to deal with a wide range of inquiries about the platform and can offer you step-by-step assistance in real time. If you find that the chatbot isn't providing the answers or solutions you need, there's no need to worry. You have the option to escalate your inquiry. Simply click on the phrase "I need more help," and then you'll be given the option to submit ticket. This action allows you to submit a detailed support request to TikTok's human support team. When submitting a ticket, make sure to fill in all the required fields with specific information about your issue. Providing detailed, accurate information will help the support team understand and address your problem more efficiently. Once you've filled everything in, submit your request. After you've submitted a support ticket, managing your support interactions becomes easy. TikTok provides a feature called Manage Tickets, where you can track the status of any request you've sent through. By keeping an eye on this feature, you can see updates on the progress of your inquiry and any responses from the support team. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to utilizing the support tools provided by TikTok to maximize your advertising success. Following these steps ensures you're not only using TikTok effectively, but also getting the help you need when you need it. Don't hesitate to make use of these resources, as they're there to support you in reaching your goals with TikTok marketing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your TikTok Business Suite experience.